Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So I want to say a very Merry Christmas Eve to everyone watching today's video. I hope you like today's Christmassy setup. For those of you that saw the video I released yesterday, you would have seen me unbox this Silver Santa. This was my Secret Santa gift from Darth Stacker. Solid 50 grams of silver, shaped like Santa's head. Really cool Secret Santa, really generous considering the kind of budget was just 1 ounce. He's gone above and beyond there with that gift, so really appreciate that. We've also got this gorgeous coin that someone else in the community sent me. Absolutely stunning coin. It's got a stocking hanging down in the middle there. Really cool, a real work of art. Oh, are we going to be able to get that back on? There we go. I'm using a 1 ounce silver bar there to prop that up. So yeah, I hope you like today's Christmassy setup. Like I said, if you watched yesterday's video, you would have already seen this setup. It was the smallest and cheapest Christmas tree I could find on Amazon, and then I got myself a Santa to go with it. So I hope you like the setup. So in today's video, we're going to be doing another unboxing, and this is something that someone sent me, and I'm not sure who has sent me this yet, but originally I thought it was my Secret Santa. But it turned out it wasn't my Secret Santa, and it's in fact a gift from someone in the community. And I'm still not exactly sure who has sent me this because there was no return address or anything like that on the outer envelope. But we have a nicely wrapped little box here. We have the biggest scratch card I've ever seen, a £5 scratch card. Look at the top prize, 100,000 a month for a year. Just imagine that. Imagine £100,000 a month for a whole year coming into your bank account. Don't even know what I'd do with that sort of money if that was coming in every single month. Let me know in the comment section what you would do if you won that prize. And then we've also got an envelope here that says 365 on it. So really cool. Now it's a little bit awkward to do this unboxing because of how the camera angle is set up, but we're going to attempt it because if I put the camera angle down, we're not going to be able to see all of this Christmassy setup. So we're going to do my best here to unpackage this whilst holding it in the air. Now let's get straight into it. We're going to do the envelope first and see who has sent me this gift. What have we got here? Oh wow, look at that. It's from Cobra. Merry Christmas from Cobra Stacker. Look at that. A gold Cobra. What a cool personalised Christmas card. Wow, I really love how his eyes match the colour of the font on here. Don't know if that was deliberate or if that's just fluke, but that looks amazing. Wow, what a cool Christmas card. Wow, thank you, Cobra. Really generous of you to send me a Christmas present. Let's see what he has written inside. Merry Christmas, bro. Thank you for all your support and friendship. May 2024 be a great year for us all. Cobra Stacker. Wow, so generous. Thank you, Cobra. I really appreciate that. That's very kind of you. Let's try and pop that over there. There we go. Right, so like I said, he's also sent me a £5 scratch card. Let's try and pop that in there without setting everything on fire. That's not going to work, is it? Where can we pop that? There we go, that's there. And then we have this present as well. What has Cobra Stacker sent me for Christmas? What is this? What is this? This looks like a proof coin of some sort. I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce that word. Monet de Paris. I might have nailed that. Wow, look at this. What do we have here? What is this? Cobra, what have you been up to? Wow, look at that. Look at that piece. Wow, that is actually stunning. I have not even seen this coin anywhere. This is stunning. Look, it's like a high relief dragon Have we got any more details on it? Wow, look at the back. That is incredible. Wow, look, it looks like a calendar coin. Wow, this needs to focus. We need to appreciate this detail on the back here. Look, on the back here, it's got all different years. 2018, 2019, 2020, all the way up to, what's that at the top? 2029. Wow, that is stunning. Now, this is a coin I've never seen before anywhere. What a stunning coin. I'm guessing it's silver. It doesn't say the silver content on there. It's quite thick. Wow, I'm actually a little bit speechless. This is actually a stunning coin. Look at that. What an absolutely stunning piece of silver. Now I need to read up on this coin and find out what Cobra has sent me. So there's a little booklet here. Silver-proof high-relief coin 2024. Face value €20. 3 nines fine silver, so it is silver. 31 grams. 4,000 mintage. Proof finish. Wow. Wow, that is stunning. He sent me a 1 ounce silver proof coin. Absolutely stunning piece. Now, I have never seen this piece anywhere. Cobra, you're going to have to let me know in the comment section where you stumbled across this piece, because this is absolutely stunning. Really, really cool. And not only is the actual coin high relief, the capsule almost makes it look 3D, because there's room in the capsule between the coin and the actual capsule. So it kind of sits down a little bit in the capsule. You can see it's got these little kind of bits of plastic that are holding it in place on each of the corners. And that makes it look even more 3D. What a truly stunning piece of silver. Wow, I'm a little bit speechless. I don't really know what to say. I've been really, really spoilt. I've got not only this coin that was sent to me a few days ago, I've also got Darth Secret Santa, and now I've got this piece. Wow, the community is absolutely fantastic. What an amazing coin. Wow, really, really cool. I'm a little bit speechless actually, because I can't believe how generous people have been. Really, really do appreciate it. A massive thank you, Cobra, for that coin. That coin is truly stunning. It's a piece that I've never seen before. I've not seen it on any other channels. I've not seen it on any of the bullion websites or anything like that. So yeah, well done, mate, for finding a coin that's not kind of an everyday coin that people have seen before. I just noticed there's some writing on the back there as well. It says, this series presents each year of the animals from the Chinese zodiac. Chinese astrology is based on a 12-year cycle represented by 12 animals. The year 2024 is the year of the wooden dragon. In Chinese culture, the mythical animal symbolizes power, mobility, and success. The natives of the sign of the dragon are therefore naturally charismatic people to whom luck often smiles. Wow, that's really cool. What a gorgeous piece. I'm going to show it once more because I can't get over how nice it looks. Like I said, it's in a capsule that's oversized on purpose, and that makes it really pop. It might actually be in a capsule that's got like a kind of magnifying top, because you can see when you turn it round, it really is in your face. What a stunning coin. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Really, really cool. Wow, stunning piece. I can't wait to finish filming this video so I can look at it off camera and really, really appreciate all the detail on it. It's not focusing very well today because I've got lots of candles and lights and things in the background, so it keeps trying to focus on those. But look at that. Absolutely stunning piece. Wow. Really, really cool. Yeah, like I said, Cobra, thank you very, very much. I'm going to message you now personally as well to say thank you for that, because that is incredible. Yeah, I hope everyone has a really, really nice Christmas. Like I said, I'm a little bit speechless. I actually didn't even get a chance to to get myself a whiskey. I've got a glass here with ice cubes in that I was going to have a whiskey while I did today's video, but yeah, the video's come to an end already. So yeah, I hope everyone has a very, very nice Christmas. Pretend there's some whiskey in there while I do a cheers to everyone. Enjoy spending time with family and friends. Enjoy putting your feet up and eating nice food and exchanging gifts and remembering what Christmas is all about. It's all about spending time with your family and your loved ones. So as always, thanks very much for watching my videos. Hope you have a lovely Christmas day and Boxing Day, and I'll see you all very, very soon.